Hello children, once again welcome back to the session. So I said we need few things, right? I have only this now, so I am going to show the ball and socket joint with the help of this material. So consider this as your hand bone, the bones which is in your hand. This which is here, which acts as a shoulder. So now it is able to rotate completely in 360 degree. Okay children, so this is the activity which you need to perform. And then look at here, I said right, we need a ball, a paper cylinder or a stick. So and we need to completely rotate that. So this is the same where our hands rotate. Okay, look at here, we are able to rotate it, right? And then second thing, one bone is here, and where is the second one which is there in your thigh, waist region? Look at here, see how it is arranged. I said femur bone is the largest bone in our body, so it is attached here. Are able to see this? It is like a ball. So here we are able to rotate our legs also, right? In 360 degree. So these two places, that is the shoulder and the hip bones, the joints are ball and socket joints. Okay children? And then next thing is pivotal joints. So pivot joints also called rotary joints. What is it? It is also called rotary or trochoid joint. Pivot joint is also called as what? Rotary or trochoid joint. A freely movable joint that allows only rotatory movement. It allows only rotary movement. So where is this pivotal joint, children? It is a place where our neck region is connected to our head. So these pivotal joints are there where the neck region is connected to our head. This is called as pivotal joint. Look at here. So it allows rotation, right? So we are able to rotate our heads like this. Whether we are able to completely turn back? No. This is not possible. So this type of joint are called as pivot joint. So look at this skull. Clear children? Next thing is hinge joints. Hinge joints allows bone to move in one direction. Bone to move in one direction. So they are in finger, toes, elbows, knees and ankles. So these are very complex. These are very complex. Look at here. So how does it move? We are able to move it only in one direction, like this, front and back like a door. So this type of joints are called as, what is it children? Hinge joints. So up to this, I hope you are clear. So we have discussed totally three types of joints. They are ball and socket, pivot and then hinge. For the better understanding, I am going to show you a video now. Are you ready? Yes. So the first thing is ball and socket joints. Okay. So these are our muscular movements. The ball and socket joints in our skeletal system. Where this ball and socket joint are there? Look at this video carefully and then understand. Okay children, I said you right, in our shoulders. See how it rotates like this, right? So we are able to completely rotate this like a circle. So this type of joints are called as ball and socket. It looks like a ball which is attached to a socket. Okay. And then this, look at here how it rotates. I said you right, I used this, right? So here it is shown. So completely it is rotated here at an angle of 360 degree. So this type is called as ball and socket. So look at these two pictures, how it matches each other. So these two are similar to each other. both are able to rotate completely. Okay, children. So this region is called as glenoid fossa and this is called as humerus. So this is called as humerus and this region is called as glenoid fossa. So not much important. If you want, you can note this. Okay. Humerus and then glenoid fossa. And then second thing is hinge joints. What is it? Hinge joints. Where is this hinge joint? I said right? It is there in our knee region. Look at here. So this hinge joint is there in our knee region. So it moves only in one direction. It moves only in one direction. That is one plane. So like this. Look at here. Like this. It moves only in one plane. So this type of joint are called as hinge joints, which is present there in our knees. Like a door. Look at here. So this type of joints move like this. Clear, children? So just match this two. I said right, the longest bone is femur and then below is called tibia. The longest bone in human body is femur, that is our thigh bone. And one more thing which is located below that bone is called as tibia. Okay. And then the next thing is pivot joint. So look at here, how does it moves like this? Are you able to see this clearly, children? Look at here, this neck region. This neck region, it only moves. But here we are not able to move that, but here we are able to move this. Look at here. How does our neck moves? That is our head. Clear, children? So totally 3 types of joints we have discussed. In the next session we will be studying about one more joint, that is the fixed. That we will be seeing in the next class. This is called as atlas and then axis. What is it? Atlas and then axis. I hope you are clear about this 3 joints which we had discussed in today's session. Now, the next thing is we are going to see about our skeletal system. What is it? Skeletal system. That is the bones. A framework in a body is made up of bone and cartilage. I will be telling you what is mean by the cartilage. Okay, children? So it provides, what is the function of the skeleton system? It provides a shape to our body. The skeleton system helps in providing shape to our body and also helps in protecting the internal organs like heart, brain. So the skeleton system helps in protecting the internal organs like heart. And it also helps in the body movement. It also helps in the movement of body parts. And then, now we are going to have a video. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So we will be seeing the next one. So, okay, children, let us know what is there in our skeleton system. So if you want, you can watch this video. Okay, children. So this video is nothing but about our skeleton system which is there in our body. Look at here. This is the skeleton system. Okay. Our body will be like this only without skin. Our body will be like this without skin. Okay, children. Shall we move on to the next? Now we are going to study about the function. What are the function of the skeleton system? What are the functions of our skeleton system? So, I said you already 3 functions. Like protecting our internal organs, producing a shape. The first thing is structure and framework. Framework is nothing but giving a structure to our body. So, if skeleton system is not there, we will be like a euglena only moving on the ground. And it also helps in the movement of muscles. If the muscles moves only, we are able to move from one place to the other place. Okay, children? So, and the next thing, inside our muscles, what is there? We have bones. So, how many bones we have totally? 206 bones. And these bones helps in protecting the internal organs. The first thing is giving a structure. Second one is protection. And the next thing is storage. Okay. What is stored? We have calcium in our bones, right children? What is there in our bones? We have calcium in our bones. So, new blood cells are produced with the help of bones. What is it? New blood cells are produced with the help of bones. So, these are all the basic function of skeleton system. The first one is structure, movement, protecting the organs and then storing. It has calcium and phosphorus in it. Second thing is, last one is giving the new blood cells to the body. And next thing, what is this X-ray images, children? How can we see our images? That is the bones with the help of the X-ray. In case if our bones are broken, what will you do? Whether we are able to know that? No. So, X-rays can pass through our body but not through our bones. Okay, children? Bones in the skeleton system. Okay, what are all the bones which we have in our skeleton system? First one is rib cage. Rib cage is nothing but which protects our lungs and heart. It's nothing but which protects our lungs and heart. There are 12 pairs, totally 24. And then backbone. It is the longest. It is on the back which help us to stand erect. And totally we have 26 bones in our backbone. And the next thing is shoulder bones, which is there in our shoulders. Okay. And the fourth one is pelvic bones. What is it? Pelvic bones, which is there. We have our waist region. And then the next one is skull. What is this? Skull region, which helps in protecting our brain. And we have one movable joint here. So, with the help of this movable joint only, we are able to move our mouth. Okay, children? So, up to this, I hope you are clear about the bones which are there in our skeleton system. Now, we will be going back to our PowerPoint. So, in today's class, we have discussed about the types of movement. That is the muscular movement and non-muscular movement. Non-muscular movement we had discussed in the previous class, and in today's class we had discussed the muscular movement. For the muscular movement, what do we need? We need cartilage, muscles and then bones. So, I think that I have not said what is meant by cartilage. I'll be telling you in the next class what is meant by cartilage. Okay, children? So, what is the first type we discussed? Ball and socket joints. Next thing is pivot joints and then hinge joints. So, up to here our today's class ends. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can clarify your doubts with me. Okay, children. So, if you have any doubt, just then and there clarify with me. If you postpone that, you are not able to understand the next concept. Okay, children. I thank you all for listening the class patiently. So, do the work which I am giving you. The question answers write in a classwork note. Okay, children. Thank you once again. Thank you for listening the class.